Hey everyone, Lehman here with another training video for LeadKast. In today's training video, we'll be talking about how to set up a open house funnel. Okay, so if you have a listing and you're about to have an open house, or you have a house that's on the about to be on the market coming soon, and you have an open house maybe scheduled for the next week or so, I'm going to show you how to build a open house marketing funnel. This should take you no more than 10 minutes. And it's a very professional looking marketing funnel. Now, what you can do with this marketing funnel, you can actually market it anywhere on social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. You could send it out in an email list. You can actually post it on your blog. You can do whatever you want to with this. It's a great way to capture leads for your open house that's coming up. So what do we need to do? First of all, we have to have all the information about the open house. So I'm going to go over to my MLS. I'm a licensed agent in my state. If you're an agent, then you should have access to your own MLS, whatever state that you're in. You're going to come up here. I'm going to go to search real quick. I'm just going to go pick a random property. Let's just find one that has some nice pictures. And we will come right here. And let's do this. There we go. Let's click on the list here. Find one that has some nice pictures. This looks like a good one to me. We'll come here. We want to, so say this is my house that I have listed. I'm a licensed agent, and I'm going to create an open house marketing funnel for this house. Or if you're an agent that's brand new and you do not have any listings, and somebody in your office is about to have an open house, you can ask them, of course, get permission to do this. Then you can create a marketing funnel for that open house. So just make sure you get permission to follow the laws in your own state. I'm going to save this image right here. And let's just call this OH555 open house. Something I can find easy on my computer. All right, I've done that. Come back over here to my funnel builder. And what we'll do is we'll come over to funnels, click on pre-made funnels. And right down here, you'll see open house, right? So let's preview it first. This is what it looks like. Of course, you can change the text if you like. And of course, we're going to change the background image because we just downloaded the background image for our open house, right? So we're going to click on use. We'll turn the funnel on, okay? And let's come over to our MLS and see what the address is of this house. This is 0 Edenbrook, okay? So let's call this, we'll name this open house 0 Edenbrook. Okay, now we know what it is. All right, let's click on save. Now, once we save that funnel, then it shows up in my funnels as an active funnel. So if I click on that, there I have one active funnel. Now, when I click on this preview link, of course, it doesn't show what that house looks like because we haven't edited it yet, but this is a unique link, okay? This is the link you want to market. This is the link that you'll post on all your social media. This is the link you'll send out in all your emails. This is the link you'll post on your blog post, anywhere you want to market this open house. So now that we have the active funnel, let's go edit this funnel, okay? Click on edit. This is how easy it is to do this, guys. Click on edit right here. You can edit this text if you like, up to you. I'm going to leave it the same. I want to change the background image so it is congruent with the actual house that I do have an open house for. I'm going to click on this gear right here, and we're going to click on choose. And we're going to click on upload. And we're going to go find that house that we just downloaded. There's the image. Click on open. All right. Once it downloads right here, we will click on the image one time, click on choose, click on preview, and guys, you have a professional looking marketing funnel now. Okay, page has been saved. Let's go okay. Let's go to cancel. Okay, click on save funnel, and let's go look at it. My funnels, and we'll come, you see it right here, open house, 0 Edenbrook. You can do this for as many open houses that you have. You can create as many funnels as you want to. You're unlimited. Okay, let's click on preview. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? It's amazing. So you click on that. Somebody opts in for this information. Somebody wants information about this property. That lead now comes in and is put in right there when they opt in as a new lead. and you can work that lead. Now, you're not finished with your funnel yet. Let's come back to my funnels. So what happens when somebody opts in as a lead? They go to a thank you page. Okay, let's go view that thank you page. It's right here. Okay, this is what the thank you page looks like. Now we need to make sure this thank you page is congruent with the house that we're marketing, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to click on edit this thank you page. We're going to click right here to change the image. Click on choose. That house, it should already be in our database. It is right here, okay, because we've already uploaded it. Click on choose. Click on preview, and now we're finished. Okay, you can leave it like this if you want to, guys, or if you like, you can click on this right here. Click on, let's say, text. Okay, this is all dark, so let's change this to white so it shows up, and we'll just say, click here for details, right? Do that, and we will click on center. And let's make it just a little bit bigger. Right there. Perfect. Now what we want to do, come back over to our MLS. And I want to share this link. I want to create a shareable link. I want to copy that link. I want to come back over to my funnel builder. If I can find where I was. Here we go. So it says click here for details. I want to highlight this. And then I want to click on the gear right here with this little bitty chain link, and we want to paste that link right here. Okay. You'll click on go, click on preview changes, and then save. All right, now we save, guys. Now we have a full, I think that was less than 10 minutes. That's how easy, click on save, it is to build an open house funnel. Okay, let's go look at it and see what it looks like. Okay, let's click on preview. There it is right there. Okay, let's put a lead in here. Let's call this Bugs Bunny. And we'll put in an easy email address. Okay, phone number. Okay, click on access details. Invalid cell number. I forgot we actually have it a system in place where if it's not a valid cell number, it will not work. So I'll put a correct number in. There we go. Thank you. Now check this out. They can click right here. Takes them right to the listing, guys, on your MLS. There you go. And that's how you build an open house marketing funnel. Don't forget, this is the link at the top. Click on preview. That's the link that you market everywhere on social media. Hey guys, one more thing I forgot to mention talking about the open house funnel is anytime you're building funnels, you need to make sure whatever state you're in that you are compliant with the marketing laws of your state for real estate. Okay, I know where I'm located here. You have to be one click away from having your company logo and your company telephone number that's visible, meaning if somebody looks at this marketing funnel right here, when they get to the next page, whatever the next page is, needs to have your company information on it. Okay, so make sure that you're clear on that. Let me show you how you do that. You'll click on edit, come down to the thank you page, which will be the home page will be one click. So whatever one click away is will be right here. Again, check with your laws of your state. Click on edit this right here. I'm going to click right here. I'm going to click on image. On this image, I'm going to double click, and I'm going to browse to my server. I'm going to go get the company logo for my company. And I'm going to pull that in. It's downloading right now, so I'll click on this, click on choose, click on OK. So there's my company logo. Now I already have my company telephone number as well. Now if you need to add your company address, you come right here, click on text, and you can put in, of course, you want to make it white so you can read it. And let's go ahead and center it. And 1, 2, 3, Main Street. Something like that. All right. At this point, you click on Save. And now where I'm located, that makes me compliant. Okay. I got my company logo, my company address, and my company telephone number. So make sure you check the laws in your state and make sure you're complying with whatever marketing laws that are applicable to you. All right, guys, that's how you do an open house marketing funnel. If you have any questions, support at LeadKast.com, and we'll see you on the next training video. Thanks.